Hello, my name is Andrew Self, and I'm going to be talking about a software system, reservecalifornia.com, that is also a website, and a potential change to solve a major issue in the software system. And I will suggest a means of implementation for that change and the benefits of it and how it will be able to get done. All right, so let's begin. What is the system? ReserveCalifornia.com is a website. Made by the State Department of Parks and Recreation. Its function is to allow people to reserve campsites in state parks all over California, although it's not limited to just state parks. You can do state beaches, nature reserves, and different types of places that would have campgrounds. And how it works basically is you make an account, and based on what you can search for different state parks, and different state parks they even have different campgrounds. So you choose a campground, and then you choose a campsite that you would like to reserve, and then you can pay online. um, it's a great system. However, there is one problem. While it works well, users can't really get that good of an idea about a campsite before they reserve it. So for example, say you reserve a campsite and then you get there and you realize it's overgrown with poison oak, or you realize there's dangerous animals around or anything like that. um, People don't really have any sort of information for that. So the change I'm proposing is a rate and review system where users that reserve campsites can then, after they stay, rate and review the campsite to get an idea of whether there could be good things about the campsite or bad things about the campsite, and just let others know, and it'll make the user experience better for everyone. So that's the solution I just discussed. Users will be able to avoid bad campsites and choose good ones, and it'll create a better user experience. So according to a report by iBiz World, the camping industry generated $6.6 billion worth of revenue in 2017. So, and that's just in the United States. So it's clearly um, a lot of money in this industry, and a lot of potential for profit too. Uh, I am proposing as a team that we use two well-known professors at UCI who are both in the Department of Informatics, Professor Rebecca Black and Professor Constance Steinkuhler, and I think they'll bring a lot of good experience to the table and make this project happen. So just based on what other people get in the same area, it's about $2,000 per week, and for 10 weeks, each of them would be about $40,000, which is a very reasonable cost for a project like this. I don't think it would take them very much time. Schedule consists of requirements engineering, designing the system, implementing it, and testing it, deploying it, and maintaining it. So this is just a combination of different things. The rate feature and review feature will actually be separate, and so they'll have to do both of those things simultaneously. And in summary, it's going to cost around $40,000, and this will allow users to get more information.